హాయ్ అండి. అందరికీ నమస్కారం. వెల్కమ్ టు యువర్ ఫేవరెట్ షో 'డాన్స్ ఫర్ సోల్'. నేను మీ గౌతమి. లాస్ట్ వీక్ నిరుపమ గారితో ఆవిడ పర్సనల్ డాన్స్ జర్నీ కోసం తెలుసుకున్నాం కదా! చాలా విషయాలు అంటే చాలా. ఈ వీక్ తన ప్రొఫెషనల్ జర్నీ ఎలా కొనసాగింది, ఆవిడ ఇన్‌స్టిట్యూట్ ఎలా స్థాపించారు, అన్ని డీటెయిల్స్ నిరుపమ గారిని అడిగేద్దామా? హలో నిరుపమ గారు.
నమస్తే గౌతమి గారు, ఎలా ఉన్నారు?
బావున్నానండి. లాస్ట్ వీక్ అసల ఫుల్ ప్లెడ్జ్డ్ మీతో మాట్లాడడం ఐ ఫెల్ట్ ఫుల్ ప్లెడ్జ్డ్ హ్యాపీ. అండ్ ఈ వీక్ ఇంకా మీ జర్నీ కోసం తెలుసుకునే ఇంట్రెస్ట్ కానీ, లేదంటే ఇంకా తెలుసుకోవాలి అని మాకు చాలా ఉండింది. సో, క్యాన్ వి నో శ్రీయం ఇన్‌స్టిట్యూట్ సో, అది ఎలా ఇనిషియేట్ అయింది? ఆ థాట్ ఎలా వచ్చింది? ఒక ఇన్‌స్టిట్యూట్ పెట్టాలి, అది ముందుకు సాగాలి అని ఎలా వచ్చింది? ఎలా ఇనిషియేట్ చేశారో తెలుసుకోవచ్చా?
Definitely. The name of my school is Shriyam Institute of Indian Dance, Music and Culture. So, India lo when I was doing, I ran a branch of my teacher's school, which was called Bharatanaట్య Kalalaya. అప్పుడు అక్కడ I had my own set of students and I did Ranga Pravesham and all that. After I came to New Jersey, my teacher gave me the blessing to start my own institution. Appudu the question was, why am I dancing? Then because now you're on your own and you want to know why should I teach dance? What am I trying to achieve through dance? So for me, appudu I started researching a lot. Shiva Nritya, Idi, too many names we started, discussing. But then, what is the goal of dance? Dance is a Veda. Kada Panchama Veda is dance. So, the goal of any Veda is to give you liberation. So, Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. The four Purusharthas of life, the Vedas give you. But Natya Veda is also that which can give you Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. It can fulfill all the desires you have. It can give you on the righteous path of Dharma. Alage, so I realized that the goal of dance is to be in a state of happiness. Ade Sri Suktamlo, I took the word Shriyam from Sri Suktam. Shriyam means that auspiciousness, that prosperity through in your mind, in your body, physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, anni auspicious ga a state is Shriyam. So that motivated me to keep the name as Shriyam for my dance school. I think Indian dance, music and culture are inseparable. Dance, if you are learning, you should learn music. You should know what you are dancing about. So, idi anta inseparable kada. Anduke the name was kept as dance, music and culture.
వండర్‌ఫుల్ అండి. చాలా బాగుంది. ఆ నేమ్ అండ్ ఫస్ట్ నేమ్ ఒకటే చూసి చాలా బాగుందనుకున్నాం. బట్ దాని వెనక మీనింగ్ ఇంకా అందంగా ఉంది. సో బ్యూటిఫుల్. నిరుపమ గారు స్టూడెంట్స్ లేదంటే అప్‌కమింగ్ డాన్సర్స్ లేదంటే బడ్డింగ్ డాన్సర్స్ అనొచ్చు. డాన్స్ పైన ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళందరికీ వాట్ ఈస్ ద మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ట్రైట్స్ దే షుడ్ హావ్?
Natya Shastralo, there are already lot of qualities that a dancer must possess. Adilo, there are Patrasya Prana ani 10 qualities are said. Javahar ante agility, Sthiratvam ante steadiness, Rekha lines, Bhramari ante circular movement lo balance, Drishti as eye movements, Shramaha ante hard work, Meda intelligence, Vacho ante good speech, and Geetam, knowledge of music. Idi anta, it's said in our Natya Shastra itself that these are the qualities a dancer must possess. Idi, I cannot add anything more to this. Everything is already said. But definitely, the first thing that we as teachers see when a student comes is slowly oka discipline ravali. First thing, our discipline, if it is there, automatically progress will be there. Even if you are very talented, discipline lekapote you cannot achieve something, right? So for me, the first quality I see for a student to come and do is discipline, definitely.
Perfect andi. So perfectly said. మీరు డాన్స్ నుండి తీసుకున్న బెస్ట్ క్వాలిటీ ఏంటి? హౌ డిడ్ ఇట్ చేంజ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్?
Actually, it is very amazing for me because, see, I'm a homeopath, right? So homeopathy talks about holistic healing. Every time in homeopathy, when we see a patient, our physical symptoms చెప్తారు కదా, but దానితో we also analyze the mental and spiritual, mental and emotional layers of the person. అది how they feel angry అని observe చేయాలి. Lot of observation has to happen. అదే డాన్స్ లో that helped me a lot because a lot of things that we emote is body language కదా, like natural గా whatever we are doing ఒక సెట్ టైమ్ లో ఒక సెట్ క్యారెక్టర్ అని ఇమోట్ చేయాలి. అది observational skills I improved a lot for me when I started pursuing dance more seriously. That really, I improved a lot on that. Also, putting yourself in another person's shoe ani. So initially too much anger or too much all of that, I think as you slowly allow dance to be thrive inside you, your mindset, you feel a certain sense of calmness inside you. Tondraga react we don't do. We are able to observe a little bit and say, oh, why this person is, oh, because they are like that, because always oka reasoning avutundi kada oka character whenever we are doing. So I think adi I have thoroughly enjoyed that transformation in me. I think I owe it definitely to both dance and homeopathy medicine in that way.
చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వాలిటీ అది. పేషెన్స్ అనేది, అబ్జర్వేషన్ అనేవి, దే ఆర్ లైక్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వాలిటీస్ విచ్ ఎవ్రీవన్ నీడ్ సో మచ్. సో అవి మీరు డాన్స్ ద్వారా తెలుసుకోవడం, ఇట్స్ వెరీ వండర్ఫుల్ అండి. సో శ్రీయం కోసం మాట్లాడుకుంటే గోల్ ఏంటి అసలు? Why did you start Shriyam and what was your goal that time?
First, when I started the school, it was obviously to carry forward whatever knowledge and understanding of dance my teacher gave me. But as I came to the US and I established it, akkada I started feeling oka lag undi. Like the lag is a cultural environment ledu. I grew up in such a rich cultural environment. I was exposed to every event and festival. Ikkada people think that if wearing Indian clothes is celebrating Indian events or eating Indian food, but why are we doing any that analysis is lacking, and parents don't have the time to teach children. So a lot of lack is there, and the education is not complete. So when I started seeing all of this, I realized that's why I named my school like that also. But down the line, what I want to do is I want to create a very solid elementary education for children, where there is dance, there is music, there is yoga, and there is Indian martial arts, kalaripayattu, meditation. All these are they link with each other, and adi oka wholesome education. 8 to 9 years, like oka second, third grade, by the time the children come, it's very crucial years for mental makeup. So if children are able to be educated at least for like 3 to 4 years in this system, and I think they can achieve whatever they want, and they will come out with very good grades in their middle school. So okay, elementary education program cheyali ani, that is my dream for Shriyam down the road. Definitely. They also provide lot of opportunities for many dancers to pursue. Ikkada people, lot of children, they do their Ranga Praveshas, and then after that they get disconnected with dance. I'm trying to also find a way to keep them connected and encourage their performances. Yes.
Nice. So students కోసం చెప్పారు కాబట్టి, how do you create enormous opportunities?
First, when I started the school, I had 2 students, and performances are very important for children, because performance lekapothe they do not see the link between learning and oka motivation, oka encouragement. Definitely that is important. So first time Mahinder Musko Garu from Guruvayurappan temple, he gave us the opportunity to perform there. And akkadi nunchi it's been a amazing journey. Ippudu varaku. And lot of events we get invited to, especially e moment I want to thank all those people who provide opportunities, because okay, ecosystem undi, right? Teacher can teacher cannot create the forum all the time. So when these temples take up that responsibilities, in the past, like Sri Madhu Anna from Sri Shiva Vishnu temple in Edison, Mahinder Musko Garu from Guruvayurappan temple, Srimati Hema Murali from Guruvayurappan temple, Srimati Harini Madhusudan Garu from Chinnamasham, they have all given us lot of opportunities, many events to perform, and I'm very grateful. I want to say my thank you to them in this show. That not just me, kada, it is the whole, all so many other dance teachers, they create these different events and give. So I am very ade oka manchi performance when you do, people also call you back. That is, so I tell my students, you want to get called back, if they call you next year, you have done good. If they don't call you have not done. So that is your understanding. And I also tell them that deserve cheyali oka performance. If you want to do, you have to come up to that level to deserve it also. So I think all these temples especially, they give us a lot of opportunities to do.
Awesome, Andy. There should be people like them to give us a chance. మనల్ని మనం ప్రూవ్ చేసుకోవడానికి ఒక ఛాన్స్ అనేది ఖచ్చితంగా ఎవరో ఒకరు ఇవ్వాలి. లేదంటే దట్ విల్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ విల్ బి లైక్ ఫాస్ట్. రియల్లీ సో గుడ్ ఆఫ్ దెమ్. మీ తరపున మేము కూడా థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్తున్నాం.
అదే వాళ్ళు వాలంటీరింగ్ చేస్తారు కదా, సో దట్ ఈస్ అట్లీస్ట్ వీఆర్ డూయింగ్ ఇట్ యాజ్ అవర్ ప్రొఫెషన్. They are only volunteering and doing, so it is definitely a big contribution that they are doing to the society.
అవును, దే ఆర్ లైక్ ప్రమోటింగ్ ఆ కల్చర్. మనకు ఆపర్చునిటీ ఇచ్చి దే ఆర్ లైక్ జస్ట్ ప్రమోటింగ్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ట్రెడిషన్స్ అండ్ కల్చర్ వాట్ వీ హ్యావ్. ఇవన్నీ మనం ఆర్ట్ ఫామ్ లోనే చూపించగలం, ఐదర్ డాన్స్ ఆర్ సింగింగ్, ఐ మీన్ ఆల్ ఆర్ట్ ఫార్మ్స్. సో అవన్నీ హైలైట్ అవ్వాలంటే డెఫినెట్లీ వీ నీడ్ అ ఛాన్స్ టు షో దెమ్. ఆ తర్వాత రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ మీరు అన్నట్టు, ఇఫ్ వీ డూ ద బెస్ట్ దే విల్ గివ్ us the best. Very nice, Andy. So what are the future plans for Shriyam?
Future plans is definitely like I said, that elementary education system, I want to definitely do it down the line. And also I want to create this is my long desire, that lot of time people think, oh, can I do Bharatnatyam now, I am old. But I feel that the joy of dance is always there. It is like honey, you take little bit, you take more, the sweetness will always be there. So I want anybody who wants to dance to not have that inhibition that I cannot do. So I want to actually treat older women, I mean like teach older women, especially above 55-60 years if they are, just the abhinaya part of it. This is my I wanted to do it during the pandemic especially, but it was too much for us to do online. But for women who want to dance, who always had that dream that they wanted to dance but they could never do it, this is one area where I feel I have to give back to the society and give them a chance to enjoy and immerse in whatever way that they can in dance.
Amazing thought, Andy. That will be helpful for many people who are like so much interested, but వాళ్ళ situations వల్ల ముందుకు రాని వాళ్ళు చాలా మంది ఉన్నారు. So it will be so helpful. సో గైస్, ఎవరెవరు ఇది చూస్తున్నారో, ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్, ప్లీజ్ డూ కాంటాక్ట్ నిరుపమ గారు. షీ ఈస్ లైక్ ఆల్వేస్ ఓపెన్ అండ్ షీ విల్ బి లైక్ సో హెల్ప్ఫుల్. నిరుపమ గారు, పాస్ట్ 2 years లో అందరూ దే స్టార్టెడ్ గెటింగ్ న్యూ ఇంట్రెస్ట్, దే స్టార్టెడ్ పికింగ్ అప్ న్యూ హాబీస్. అసలు కుకింగ్ అనేది తెలియని వాళ్ళు కుకింగ్ వైపు వెళ్ళడం, డాన్స్ అనేది తెలియని వాళ్ళు డాన్సులు చేయడం. It was so interesting actually. సో అలాంటి వాళ్ళు ఎవరైనా మీ దగ్గరికి వచ్చారా డాన్స్ నేర్చుకోవడానికి కానీ, లేదంటే వి వాంటెడ్ టు పర్ఫార్మ్ అన్న వాళ్ళు కానీ, న్యూ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ తో ఎవరైనా మిమ్మల్ని అప్రోచ్ అయ్యారా?
It's very interesting that you're asking this question because something like this did happen. So last year pandemic, it was really in the peak, May month lo, Dr. Kusum Punjabi, she is an emergency doctor at Robert Wood Johnson. She came up and she said, I learned when I was a kid, I want to continue dancing. And after she had, so many patients coming in and, they were at their busiest peak, busiest. Approach, she said me, and I'm also bringing in some of my doctor friends, and we want to do Bharatanatyam. And idilo, the most amazing thing is she learned for a few years when she was a kid, but the other doctors have no clue what Bharatanatyam is. They've not done Bharatanatyam in the past. So I was like, okay, do you guys really want to do it now? Like, and she said, this is the time for me to start because dance is the only thing that can save me from this. It was, a point when I was feeling that so many things are, and we all felt helpless, right? At some point, we wanted to do something, but we couldn't do anything. Apro, I think that, when they came and they said that E-class KC, they received so much of, peace and calmness, and their stress levels started going down. It felt like, I was also contributing in some way, to help those in need. So they all, and they are amazing. They are all, doctors in their own right. And they're all very, busy doctors. Dr. Bhavi, Dr. Moondeka. Dr. Moon is an infectious disease specialist. Dr. Bhavi is a doctor again at Robert Wood Johnson, and Dr. Ranjita Sengupta, she's a cardiologist. See, from them, I got so much inspiration. They took dancing and they so seriously danced and were so committed. They wouldn't miss a class. Sometimes every day they would do class. In the morning, 5:36, scrub veskuni, they would dance. And all of those things, see, that is why we also learn from whom we teach. This teacher-student relationship is a very mutual relationship. What energy we give, when we get back that energy, we are also motivated to, give better. So those doctors were, they are still continuing, and it is amazing. In 1 year, they've come up to Jatiswaram level also. And I am really having a very, a great time teaching them, and I'm happy that they are able to pursue it as well. Yeah.
అమేజింగ్ అండి. నిరుపమ గారు, త్రూ యువర్ కమిట్మెంట్ కానీ, లేదంటే ద వే యూ టాక్, యువర్ ప్లెజెంట్ మైండ్‌నెస్ కానీ, త్రూ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ వి ఆర్ లైక్ ఈ 1 hour టాక్, ఇట్ వాస్ లైక్ సో ఇన్స్పిరేషనల్. సో ఇన్స్పిరేషనల్ అంటే సో ఇన్స్పిరేషనల్. We feel so lucky to have you on our show. And one last message to all our viewers who wanted to move towards dance, లేదంటే డాన్స్ లో ఇంకా ముందుకు వెళ్ళాలి, ఏదో సాధించాలి అని మా వ్యూవర్స్ అందరికి ఏదైనా మెసేజ్ మీ నుండి?
One thing I definitely want to say, it is never too late to dance. No matter how old you are, please, if you've always wanted to dance, try to experience it. It has only good things to give you. So I want anybody who has, have this feeling that they could not dance when they were a kid, they should definitely come forward and experience the joy of dancing, especially a classical dance form. And for all the students who are watching and who want to be professional dancers and want to take up dance more seriously, you cannot achieve more if you are comfortable in your comfort zone. Our comfort zone nunchi step out, you have to do consistently. Only when we commit ourselves to step out of our comfort zone, there can be any kind of success. This is what I tell my students also. Keep, settle chayoko in your comfort zone. Try to set your bar high slowly and steadily, and you'll go up. So definitely, please, if you've ever felt the need to experience dancing, go for it.
వండర్ఫుల్ మెసేజ్ అండి. వాట్ ఎల్స్ వి నీడ్? ఈ పుషప్ చాలు. చాలా మంది దే గాట్ స్టక్ దేర్. దే గాట్ స్టక్ విత్ దేర్, మేబీ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్యామిలీ బ్యారియర్స్ అయినా అయి ఉండొచ్చు, లేదంటే అదర్ బ్యారియర్స్ అయినా అయి ఉండొచ్చు. దే గాట్ స్టక్. బట్ ఈ మెసేజ్, it will really empower many people like me. Thank you so much, Nirupama garu. We are totally so happy having you on the show. Thank you very much. Wish you all the very best for all your future endeavors.
Thank you, Gautami Garu, and thank you, Mana TV, for making me a part of this show. I have incredibly enjoyed these interview sessions by your amazing host, Gautami Garu. And, I hope that we all can see good times soon, and a lot of us can experience the joy of dancing in person again.
And guys, ఇప్పుడు మనం ఒక అందమైన పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ నిరుపమ గారిది చూసేద్దామా? లెట్స్ వాచ్.
मैं सूर्या स्वरूपी तीर्थ ज्वाला हूँ, मैं सूर्या स्वरूपी तीघ्र ज्वाला हूँ, रोम रोम से बही कुंडलिनी क्रिया हूँ, अर्धनारीश्वर के मस्तक का श्रृंगार हूँ। कृष्ण मैं, राधा मैं, राम मैं, सीता भी मैं, सर्वव्यापी मैं ही हूँ। आओ रे आओ रे आओ, बिंदु दिन आयो रे, आयो रे नाचो रे गाओ रे.
సో వ్యూవర్స్ చూసారు కదా ఒక ఫ్యాబులస్ పర్ఫార్మెన్స్. వీఆర్ సో లక్కీ టు వాచ్ హర్ పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ అండ్ టు మీట్ నిరుపమ గారు. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వీక్ ఇదే టైంకి విల్ క్యాచ్ అప్ ఇన్ యువర్ ఫేవరెట్ షో వేర్ వి ఆల్ ఆర్ మీటింగ్ soulful dancers, Dance for Soul. And please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Mana TV, catch us live on App TV, and please do like our Facebook page Mana TV.